In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do uppercut in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can execute an uppercut on your opponent. The uppercut is a very useful tool. You can incorporate it into different combos, and this will allow you to throw your opponent into the air where they will not be able to do any sort of major actions. It's wonderful to throw them off, and as you saw, you will be able to do it easily. You can do it as any character, so all that you have to do is start a 3M1 chain. So an M1 is a basic attack. So if you are on a PC, you can click and this is going to be an M1. So you have to do 3 in a row. If you are on mobile, just tap on the little icon with a fist. So you are going to do 3 M1s and then a fourth one. But right before you do the fourth M1, you have to press space. So it is going to look like this. You do 3 M1s and then you press space on the last one. So once again, you do 3 M1s, hold space, and then do the last M1. Now, if you are not able to reproduce this and you keep doing down slams instead, then what I recommend is that you start holding space and holding M1. So if you do that at the same time, you will also be able to do the uppercut. In this specific example, I'm just holding down space as I start holding down M1. So I'm going to press M1 and I'm going to hold down M1 while I hold down space. And this is also going to work, but you can choose whichever option you prefer. Either you click 3 times and then right before the fourth one you do press space and then you do the uppercut, or you just start holding space while holding down M1. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to do the uppercut as any character. So start holding down space and M1 together, or do 3 M1s and then hold down space before the last. You have to be careful because sometimes you will do the down slam instead. So this is why a lot of players prefer just holding down both buttons instead of trying to do 3 M1s into pressing space on the last one. Choose whichever option you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to do uppercut in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.